Welcome to Finance Manager Training Studios here in New York, and this is your F&I Tip of the Week. This one comes courtesy of Chris Cochran. He is an F&I trainer, F&I manager, and is a value to the F&I community. You've probably seen him on the F&I groups and F&I forums. Now, Chris has come up with a fantastic way to start your menu presentation, and it goes a little like this. Mr. Customer, many customers have asked me why the factory covers some parts for 60 months and others for only 36. Well, there are two reasons for this. First, the factory builds the engine and transmission themselves, but they don't build most of the electronics and computers and other technical parts of the car. So quite frankly, they don't want to warranty someone else's product any longer than they have to. Now, the other reason is you can't maintain electronics. You can change engine oils and filters, but there is no changing the oil in your phone. Now, this really, I think, will hit a customer right between the eyes because they're going to start to think in their head, well, if the manufacturer that I'm purchasing from doesn't want to warranty these electronics any longer than 36 months, why would I want to take that risk? And that's exactly the thought that you want the customer to have. And they're right to have that thought. These massive international brands and companies, they've done the data, they've done the math. If they don't want to warranty these products they purchase from someone else, these electronics, why would the customer want to take on that responsibility without any of the math, without any of the data, without any of the research? This is a great tip by Chris, and we thank him for contributing to our tip of the week. For more, visit financemanagertraining.com.